What's up, guys? We're back with an update video on the build. As you can see, I have in my hands here the mid pipe. So for the past few weekends we've been working on the muffler, and I know we haven't showed you guys like the process of doing it or whatever, because we just wanted to get it done and just keep the videos short and just update you guys on what we're doing. But if you come closer, you can see that we already have the downpipe finished, and we did have to make a new mid pipe because the I forgot what happened with the one that was already on the car, but we had to just make a different mid pipe. But yeah, so yesterday we connected the mid pipe to the old muffler. This is like the end section right here. We're just gonna use this because we want to save some time, you know what I mean? It's not perfect, but it's gonna work. It's gonna do the job.
We're gonna eventually rebuild that section of the muffler,
Yeah.
anyways.
But
So
we've been working on the car for the past few weekends now, and we're just trying to get it done as quick as we can to just get the car on the road or whatever. But yeah, man, it's basically done. The only thing we got to do is just put the end section and put some muffler tips on there, and that will be it for the muffler. So yeah, just stay tuned. The only thing we got to do is weld this up and yeah, fit it back on the car and finish the rest of the section, the rest of the muffler later on in the day. So just stay tuned for that, guys. Alright, guys, so we just got finished welding everything up. So the only thing we got to do is now is just put it back under the car and see how everything fits, see if it sits right, if it's touching anything, because sometimes when you weld it tends to like twist a little bit. So the only thing we got to do is just put it back under the car, make sure everything looks good, perfect. But you already know, since it's coming from Prolific Bills, it's gonna be good.
no questions about that.
Hell yeah. So we're just gonna, we literally just finished, so we gotta let it cool for a quick second before we release the clamp, because we don't want it to warp or have any little distortion or anything like that. So we just gotta let it cool down for a little bit, and then we're gonna fit it under the car. Yep. And it's kind of cold outside today too, so as you can see I could touch it, so it's not that hot. It's a little bit warm, but it's not hot because it's cold outside. All right guys, so the muffler is already cooled down, so we're just gonna test fit it right now and see how it fits.
Catching it down less of us. Guys, see? Nice tubular manifolds. Down pipe. It's close as fit, but it works. That's one bracket for all up here.
So alright guys, you see how it looks. And earlier when I was saying that's not perfect, if you see right here, you notice there's like a little bend, but that's not from us. We that's because we used the previous muffler that was on here, you know, but we still had to cut like a little bit of angle on here to make it fit to the mid pipe that we was making. But it still looks good, man. It still looks pretty good. The only thing we gotta do is put some brackets so it could
sit flat.
Yep, and hold it up like this on the hair. Yep.
Should look good.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, just gotta make the hangers to go in this. So one hanger, two hanger. So the only thing we gotta do now is what? Finish the back. Start working on the back. Where it goes to the double muffler.
Yep.
Yeah, should look good.
Should probably just work on the hangers first.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? So this shit could be firm. And then do the back section. Maybe next week or some shit. So alright man, we're back working on the back section of the muffler. As you can see right here, we have everything all stacked up, and my brother here is just gonna go ahead and weld this up so we could get it finished. So let him know what we're gonna do right now.
Yeah guys, you see we got this side finished yesterday, got the brackets made, so we only had time to mop this side up yesterday, so we mopped it up, make sure everything is how it's supposed to be. So now we're just gonna weld it up and gonna test fit it back underneath the car and make the brackets to hold it. So I'm gonna go ahead and start welding this up and get it done as soon as possible.
So alright guys, we just got the muffler 100% completed. But first, before I show you guys like a little overview of it, I'm gonna show you guys the wastegate pipings first. So if you remember in the last video, we said we was gonna get working on the dump tubes, and we got got them done. As you can see, it's all welded up, it's fabricated, it's going down through the car. Yeah, man, everything came out nice. Looks really good so far, man. So I'm just super happy. The car is like this close to being started now, but you know, enough of that. Just have one last overview of the muffler because it's 100% completed. So yeah, just show them. They're on top of it. So there's one little thing that we have left, which is simple. So we're only gonna put like a O2 sensor right here, somewhere on the side. We did talk about that too in the last video, and that's gonna be it for the muffler, man. So enjoy the clips. Yeah, let's go to the back. Show them how it fits. Look at that, man. So I decided to go with the carbon fiber tips, and to be honest, it looks real nice, real good. You could come down here and see everything. I like the way that looks.
And no, guys, you cannot come and unscrew them because we welded a little section of it, so you can't just go and unscrew the tips. So nobody go ahead and try that shit. But yeah, that's how the muffler sits, you know. Front wheel drive is much more easier than the all wheel drive.
But anyways, man, we have a bunch of little bit more things to do, like the oil drain, just little stuff, you know, minor stuff. So we're just gonna go ahead and, you know, knock those little things out for the rest of the day. But as usual, guys, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, follow us on Instagram, share the channel, you know, smash that like button, smash it, you know. Just keep going, man. Peace out.